iPhone's XR pattern lock remove. Let's fix. Take your phone. You don't know your pattern lock password? iPhone is disabled. Don't worry. Let's fix. Turn off your phone. Press the down volume button and power button at the same time. Connect to the PC. Now successfully open the recovery mode. Open the pt.II app. Click the flash button. Download the firmware file. I already downloaded. Now input the file. Now click the flash button. Wait a minute, now your phone flashing.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Successfully were completed. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.